So if you've ever applied for a company card or a small business loan and got denied without really knowing why, you're not alone. A lot of owners don't realize how much their credit profile affects what they qualify for, or that they even have a separate score for their business in the first place. And that is where NAV comes in. It's a platform to help entrepreneurs not just understand and build their business credit, but also get real tools to improve their overall financial health. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what NAV does, how NAV Prime helps with credit building and funding, and why this is one of the most useful tools out there if you're trying to get your operation on stronger financial footing. Now, instead of just showing you your scores and just sending you on your way, NAV acts more like a teammate. You get a dashboard that tracks both your personal and business credit in real time, sends alerts when anything changes, and helps you know what to focus on next. On top of that, you'll see insights into your cash flow, personalized financing options, and tools to help you keep your money organized, all in one place. So instead of trying to balance 5 different apps, you can log into NAV and get the full picture. But where NAV really stands out though, is with their NAV Prime membership. This is where you go beyond just tracking and start building credit in a structured, hands-on way. And at the heart of all that are the trade lines. If you're not familiar, a trade line is just any account that shows up on a report. It proves you've been paying regularly, and it's one of the main ways to establish your credit history. The problem is most of the things you already pay for, vendors, subscriptions, even some company cards, they don't report anything at all. So even if you're doing everything right, your file can still come up blank. So let's say your business is finally starting to grow and you need a line of credit to cover inventory for a big order. When you apply, the lender pulls your file, but all they see is a thin or empty record. Not because you've done anything wrong, but because none of your payment activity has actually been reported. That's where NAV Prime makes a difference. Your subscription and your card activity both show up as separate trade lines. And if you're on one of the higher tiers, there's a third one for personal credit as well. That setup alone can lift your scores often by around 24 points in just a few months, and sometimes as much as 50% when everything's running right. And stronger credit doesn't just mean a bigger number, it means lower rates, easier access to funding, and more leverage when you're applying for cards or capital. Which all means that the next time you sit down with a lender, you're walking in with a stronger profile and a much better chance of getting approved when it matters. And if you're thinking of giving NAV a try, there's a link in the description and down in the comment section, and we usually can get you better deals there than you won't find if you just go straight to their website, so feel free to check that out. And part of the membership is the NAV Prime card, which works like any old card, except it pays off automatically every 24 hours. So you can use it normally, build both business and personal credit, and avoid carrying a balance or dealing with interest. It's backed by Thread Bank, accepted anywhere where Visa is, and reports constantly. NAV also helps you understand where your scores stand and what's driving them. You get access to up to 6 different scores from Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet, and it's all laid out clearly with grades, ranges, and real-time alerts. So instead of just showing you a number, it highlights what's actually influencing your score and gives you recommendations to improve it. So if you're wondering why your company's credit score still looks low, this helps you figure it out and take action. Now, another major part of NAV is how it connects you with funding. They work with over 200 lenders, and instead of just listing random offers, they use your company's actual numbers to show options that are more likely to get approved. That means fewer dead ends and up to 3.5 times higher approval odds, whether you're looking for credit cards, loans, or even lines of credit. And if you want to keep a closer eye on your day-to-day finances, there's a tool called Cash Flow Health. It links to your business accounts and shows your income, expenses, and overall trends in real time. It also sends alerts for things like revenue dips or spending spikes, and even includes a bookkeeping view to make tax prep easier. So the goal here isn't just to track, it's to help you manage cash better, avoid surprises, and cut down on last-minute funding. And NAV also offers a checking account that ties directly into the platform. It's built to help you separate business and personal expenses, keep cleaner records, and show healthier spending habits, which can actually improve your chances for funding down the line. And if you'd like more one-on-one help, the top tier NAV Prime plan comes with a dedicated credit coach. That means personalized guidance, help prioritizing what to work on next, and even access to your FICO SPSS score, the same score most lenders, including the SBA, look at when reviewing applications. Now, as far as pricing, there are 3 tiers. The track plan comes in at around $40 a month, and that includes 5 credit scores, real-time alerts, reports from the major bureaus, and 1 trade line from your membership. Then there's the build plan at just under $50 a month, and that adds in the NAV Prime card, business checking, and bookkeeping tools to manage cash flow and simplify taxes. And the expand plan tops out at $75 a month, which adds one-on-one coaching and FICO SPSS tracking. So overall, NAV is one of those few platforms that helps small business owners actually move forward financially. It doesn't just track your scores, it gives you ways to build them, tools to manage your cash flow, and smarter access to financing based on where your company's at right now. If you're just getting started and want to build a strong foundation, or if you've been in business for a while and you feel stuck when it comes to credit and funding, Nav can help you get things moving in the right direction. And if Nav sounds like it might be a good fit for your business, you'll find a link in the description. And like I mentioned earlier, we usually have special offers there that you won't see on the company's main site. If you have any questions about how it works or which plan might be right for you, feel free to leave a comment below. I always appreciate hearing your thoughts, and I try to answer as many as I can. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.